There's absolutely no other feeling as great as this. The absolute content I feel because I'm helping this mommy over here build her online business, build the financial free lifestyle that she so deserves. Because this mommy realized that working for so many years and not being in a position to be ready for retirement wasn't good enough for her. This mommy realized that her one salary is never enough to live the lifestyle that she deserves. There's no other greater feeling than helping mommies like this, mommies who deserve second chances, mommies who realize that they're ready to rewrite their story, mommies who realize that they want to give so much more to their family, mommies who realize that they want to have options available. So if you're anything like this mommy right here, this mommy who's financially stretched, this mommy who's working all these years but is not in a position to retire peacefully one day. If you're anything like this, mommy, and you want to start your own online business and build the financial free lifestyle that you so deserve, comment second chances and I'll show you exactly how to get started.